Uy, anong meron dito? Hala, may yogurt. Oh, may yogurt tayo. Kunin natin ang yogurt. May bag ko. Ay, may yogurt. At meron tayo. Kunin natin to. Grass milk. Oh, half and half. Hayat mo, malaglag. Dali lang. Ilagay muna natin dito. Ayan, may yogurt. Ang yogurt ni Mr. Bean. Ay, magkuha tayo nito. Muffin para sa ating kapitbahay. Ganda pa ng muffin. Ano ba? Muffin to. Blueberry muffin. Oh, patis banana. Oh, there's more muffin. Oh. Uy, organic banana. Kunin natin yung banana. Hindi pa yung banana. Sayang yan. Anong andito? Anong andito? Wala. Uy, may nag-shopping. Oh. Overripe na itong saging. Oh. Hindi na pwede. Hindi na iba ng ano nito bukas. Hindi na pwede. Alam, meron pa. Oh, handa pa. Kunin natin ito. Half and half. Okay, kung nasa bag. Ay, ano ito? Busog na yung half and half. Hindi na pwede ito. Ano na? Bloated na. Mahal, it's bloated. This is not good anymore. The half and half. It's no good na yun. Bloated ba? Ano pa yung nasa black na natin? Uy, jelly bean. Wow, look at this. Oh, there's a lot of jelly bean. Look, ang daming jelly bean. Wala na naman yung nyug. Ah, kape. Oh, deep in soulful. May kape. Kape tayo. Organic fair trade. Unasan natin to. Oh, what you found there? Ano to? Stone. Oh. Mahal, this is organic. Oh, we'll get them all.
Yeah.
Okay.
These are organic too, but take them out of the box because the box has raspberry juice on it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this thing is good. Masarap itong yogurt, flavored yogurt natin. All of the box? Oh yeah. Tanggalin natin. Ayan. Maliit ang bag ni Mars. Mahal. Cockroach.
No.
No cockroach. Nakita kasi yung ipis. Takot ako sa ipis. Uy.
That's my friend.
I'm scared to ipis. You know that. You know ipis.
They don't bite. They don't bite here.
Oh, I know. But I'm scared. They're disgusting. Okay, what is this? What you found here? Oh, brownie!
But it's got, look on the back.
Just in the box.
Okay.
I think, yeah. Didn't go inside.
Okay.
Hindi natin sa neighbor natin yan. And this, oh, there's more here.
There's one right there.
Cookies. What? I'll get another bag. What bread was that?
This is pretzel stuff bun. There's some Ezekiel bread back there.
Okay. Cookies. Mas ating kapitbahay. Kasi kawawa naman siya. Wala siyang work. What is it, love? Tomato. Oh, it still look good. Oh, there's nothing wrong with it. I'll take it. Look at this jelly bean, love. Look at that bag of jelly bean. It's a big bag of jelly bean.
Jelly beans or gummies?
Oh, jelly bean. It's a gummies. Look.
Wow.
Oh,
Look at
that's too bad. Oh no, it smells lemon.
Yeah.
That's too bad.
Wow.
Sayang man, oy.
Is that peach?
No, I don't want to get peach in here.
No? Okay.
They're not good. They're not good.
Yeah.
Peach here is nasty.
They don't, yeah. No flavor.
Yeah, no flavor at all. These are bloated. I don't think it's still good.
Nah, that's probably okay, but it's fine.
You think it's still good?
Yeah.
This thing, it's bloated, oh.
Well, it just expands from being warm. But they run that through ultra pasteurization.
Oh, it's not smelled. It still smell good.
I told you.
Oh,
It's
kunin
ultra
natin yan.
pasteurized. It's not gonna go bad
Oh,
for
look,
a
kunin
while.
natin, sayang. Hindi siya, hindi smell maasim. Let's get that, love. Sayang. This smell
just-
fine.
They package it when it's cold, and then it gets warm and
They
expands.
pasteurize. Oh yeah, it says pasteurized.
But they package.
Ultra pasteurized.
Yeah, it's ultra pasteurized. They
Okay, sayang.
all of it.
Kunin natin. Hindi pa mo.
They kill it.
Okay. Tara na. Ano kaya ano dito? Ano kaya makuha natin? Ano kaya ito? Kawawa naman yung cheese. Nag-melt ang cheese. Uy. Nag-melt ang cheese ni Mr. Bean. Wala naman. Aray ko. Parang wala tayo makuha dito eh. Wala, bigat nito. Nakit to. Ay, halak ka. Tingnan nyo, ang dami. Oh. Oh my goodness. Chicken. Fried chicken. Namoy ko ang fried chicken. Oh, fried chicken. Assorted pieces. Baba natin. Bigat. Bigat. Tingnan natin ang iba. Ang bigat na Mr. Bean. Ang bigat ng laman ni Mr. Bean. Ay, naku. Popcorn chicken. Wala ka, ang dami. Sour cream. Ay, naku. Mariano. Tingnan natin yun. Baka hindi na kasi i-double check natin kung pwede pa. Ito lusaw na. Bordy Colby Monterey Jack, mahalo. Monterey Jack. It's melted though. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, ang daming orange. Oh, those are not good na. This half and half, I don't think it's still it's good. Yeah. There's a lot of oh wow, it's a one box of what's this, one box of half and half. Yeah. They throw a bunch of drinks. I wanna check this thing. Tingnan natin ito. Mahal oh. Look at this oh. I think this still good. We give it to our neighbor. Tingnan natin. Baka hindi na kasi pwede. Para hindi natin. Ay, hindi na pwede. Nag-bloated na. What do you think? Oh, tingnan nyo.
It's still frozen?
Huh? It's not frozen anymore.
Yeah, no.
No? That's too bad. It's a lot. This is one bag. Tingnan natin ito. Yeah. Nakalungkot naman. But I'll take the sour cream. What do you think?
Yes.
Huwag natin yung sour cream. Okay lang yung sour cream.
You don't see sour cream very often.
Yeah, no.
Yogurt all the time.
Yogurt. We always get yogurt. Ang sour cream, good pa yun kahit ano siya. Na ano na. Chicken bites. Rolled ice cream.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know they made that.
Oh, me too. That was, ano, hindi na pwede ito kung ba. Sour cream lang ang mapakinabangan natin dito. Sayang, oh. Kung hindi summer, ano sana to makain pa to. U-plate. Yogurt Monterey. Kunin natin itong U-plate. Bigyan muna natin dyan. M&M vanilla. U-plate. U-plate. Okay. Ano ito? Greek lime. Ano natin? I'm ready. Tara. Tara, tara. Hello. Ayun oh. May vitamins ng aso. I think I should go inside. There's a bag of food there oh. I think. You see it?
Oh, I see it now. Yeah.
Sit.
I'll go in.
Okay. Please be careful. Be careful. Oops.
At least it's a new dumpster.
Yeah.
Brand new. I've never seen a dumpster so clean.
Yeah, right. Bagong-bago yung basurahan nila, oh. Wala pang bakas ng dumi. I don't think we don't need that thing.
Super worms.
Nah. Just those vitamins for dog. Huh. Look, put your on my face. Your light.
Oh, sorry.
Not put on my face. Oh, may iba pa palang ano oh. Ayun oh, hindi natin vitamins ng aso. Maybe that one. Ang labo ng ano ko. Oh, is that shampoo? Oh, it's empty.
Wala.
It's empty. What is that? Cat litter?
I think so.
Okay. Yeah, can use that.
Is that it?
I don't know. Look around. I think that's it. What here?
That's it.
Yeah. I think that's it. Tara na. Please be careful. Hello mamas! Welcome back! Ito na ang ating naharampat. kaunti man, pero pagpasalamat na lang natin kay Lord na may blessing tayong nakuha kay Mr. Bean. So, ito yung lahat ng ating nakuha. Ang karamihan ay puro yogurt. So, isang kay Bean yogurt, yung mga nakuha natin, Horizon Organic yogurt. Tapos, meron tayo nitong Stonyfield Organic yogurt. At itong mga tinapay natin, meron tayong blueberry muffin. At ito namang cookies, peanut butter chocolate cookies at chocolate chip cookies, may brownies at ang saging. Ayan, at ang ating mga sour cream. Ang sour cream ay maano pa talaga siya, masarap pa kahit naiwan siya dun sa kahit hindi malamig. Hindi siya malamig nung nakuha namin. Pero talagang good pa siya. Walang aftertaste or keme-keme ganun. So, di ba ano pa rin to, sayang mapunta sa landfill. At itong yogurt natin, Yoplait yogurt, ayun ano to, strawberry, vanilla, blueberry. Ayan yung mga naharbat natin na At meron tayong half and half. Nakakatuwa itong half and half. Akala ko talaga hindi na siya pwede kasi nag-bloated na siya. Buti na lang, inopen ko. Tapos yun, yung amoy niya ay talagang walang kahit anong asim na amoy. Tapos pagdating namin dito sa bahay, tinikman namin, wala talagang problema. Para siyang galing sa ref yung yung lasa niya. Yun lang, hindi siya malamig. Pero all good pa siya. Ayan. Organic Valley. Half and half. Yung lalagay natin sa kape ba. Organic Valley Grass Milk. Ito ay half and half din. At grass-fed naman siya. At meron tayo dito ang wholesome organic tomato. So, isa lang yung bulok niya. Isa lang ang bulok. Ayan tinanggal ko yung bulok. Di ba yung apat pwede pang yan, pakinabangan. Tapos, sinapon lang nila. Tapos, itong kape, Wicked Organic Coffee Joe. Ayun Organic Fair Trade Wicked Italian Deep in Soulful, rich and smoky with notes of dark chocolate, whole bean. Dark roast pala siya. Ayun tingnan nyo, hindi siya expired. At ang ating mga to para sa ating dog supplement, Arthritis Gold. Clinically tested level 3, increased activity para sa mga glucosamine. Ayan, ito ay ating ibibenta para sulit yung ating kahit konti nakuha natin, makabalik yung ating gas na ginastos dun papunta kay Mr. Bean kasi alam nyo naman malayo yung ating biyahe. At ito ayan pare-parehas pala ito. Puro siya, pare-parehas pala, iba-iba lang ng ng amount. Ayan, ito ay 40 chewable. Ito ay 120, 180. Ito naman ay 70. Okay. So, laking tipid pa rin kasi na-save natin ang ating mga pagkain na pwedeng mailagay sa landfill, 'di ba? Laman siya din yan. Matuwa na naman ang kapitbahay ko dyan sa cupcake na favorite niya nakuha natin. So, ayan mga Mars. Sana po nag-enjoy po kayo sa aming video. Pa-subscribe naman po ako. Salamat po sa panonood. Bye!